Ciao everyone! I know it's been a few months I'm not posting any video, but I recently moved to another place and soon you will see what I meant with that. Today we are going to see how to properly install a sandbag for training. The first thing you're going to need when planning at installing your new sandbag is the place. Choose a room of your house where you know you can exert your full power without any inhibition. Second, pick the side of the chosen room that is structurally safe, while giving your bag enough room to move. Don't forget that the load you are going to apply to that bag is going to be huge, especially during those upset days everyone has in their life. Third, don't just install your bag on a hook. Just like in a car, impact will make that sandbag swing, with ongoing jolts being generated. For this reason, we really recommend the installation of a good shocking spring. Oh, and don't forget a few extra coins for a nice steel swivel chain. That will make a huge difference. First of all, for this purpose, we are going to use simple concrete and just a bowl like this. Okay guys, the mold has dried, so it's time for us to install it underneath the sandbag and give it a go. Here we go, the block is coming. We have to place it exactly underneath the bag, okay, and then proceed with anchoring it with a piece of glue. Given that the best way for installing a bag of this size will be anchoring it from the ground, this is still a very good solution. Of course, if you notice that the concrete block still moves or rattles, the best way is two things. First, as I said, anchor it to the ground, but this requires to drill the ground with proper bolts or enlarging the size of the concrete block, as long it doesn't get in your way when you train.